Welcome to Car Review, your trusted channel for the latest updates, in-depth reviews, and first looks at the most exciting vehicles hitting the roads. Today, we're diving into the adrenaline-packed world of hot hatches with the official unveiling of the new next-generation Toyota GR Corolla. Toyota has once again pushed the boundaries of performance, style, and driving excitement, bringing a model that is engineered for enthusiasts who crave more than just a daily drive. The new Toyota GR Corolla continues the legacy of the GR series, developed in collaboration with Toyota's Gazoo Racing division, which has been instrumental in crafting high-performance machines inspired by the brand's motorsport success. The exterior styling is aggressive and functional, featuring wider fenders, a bold front grille, and aerodynamic elements that are not just for show but are carefully tuned to improve airflow and stability at high speeds. The LED headlights and sharp body lines give the car a fierce, track-ready stance while maintaining a modern hatchback practicality. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, an upgraded 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine that packs even more punch than before, delivering exceptional horsepower and torque figures. Toyota has fine-tuned the power delivery to ensure responsiveness across the rev range, making every gear shift feel alive. This is paired with a precise 6-speed manual transmission, complete with rev-matching technology for smoother downshifts, giving drivers that pure mechanical connection that's often missing in modern performance cars. One of the standout features is the advanced GR4 all-wheel drive system, allowing drivers to choose between different torque distribution settings depending on driving conditions, from balanced everyday settings to track-focused configurations that send more power to the rear wheels for a thrilling drive. The suspension has been re-engineered for sharper handling and improved stability, while high-performance brakes ensure confident stopping power even under aggressive driving. Inside, the GR Corolla balances racing inspiration with everyday comfort. The cabin features sport seats with excellent bolstering, GR-specific badging, and premium materials throughout. A modern digital instrument cluster provides all vital performance data at a glance, while the infotainment system supports the latest connectivity options like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced navigation. Toyota has also added subtle touches such as aluminum pedals and a GR-branded gear shifter to remind you that you're in something special every time you step inside. Safety has not been overlooked, with Toyota's latest Safety Sense suite offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision warning, and more, proving that even a high-performance hatchback can deliver peace of mind on daily commutes. The new GR Corolla is more than just numbers and specs, it's about delivering a pure, engaging driving experience. Whether you're carving through winding roads, taking on a racetrack, or simply enjoying an open highway, the car feels alive in your hands. It embodies Toyota's passion for performance while retaining the practicality that makes a hatchback so versatile. With this next-generation model, Toyota has reinforced its position in the hot hatch segment, standing toe-to-toe with rivals and offering enthusiasts something that blends everyday usability with motorsport DNA. The official unveiling marks an exciting chapter for fans, and from what we've seen so far, the GR Corolla is set to be a true driver's car. That wraps up our first look at the all-new Toyota GR Corolla. If you're a fan of high-performance hatchbacks, this is one you'll want to keep an eye on. Stay tuned for more updates, test drives, and detailed reviews right here on Car Review, where passion meets performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest from the automotive world.